Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to manage your MileagePlus account on the United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your United Airlines app, and now once you are here, what you need to do is log in using your MileagePlus credentials, your username and password. And now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is simply tap on the My Account on the bottom right corner of the screen, and now once you are here, you'll find an option that says MileagePlus. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, what you can do is view your mileage balance, your earned miles and premier status are displayed on the main page. Tap account activity to see recent transactions including flight, partner activities and bonuses. Update personal information like name, address, email, phone number, and you can also change your password as well. You can use MileagePlus features like redeem miles, track premier status, request missing miles, and link partner accounts as well. If you need assistance, go to the help section in the app to find contact options for MileagePlus customer service. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.